Not too bad, you know. Using a chainsaw, that wasn't too bad. I mean, you know, definitely not fucking straight. I'm not saying that they're straight or anything, but for a chainsaw, a little shitty fucking, you know, a little shitty thing, it ain't bad. Both ends, fuck yeah. I make a shelf with the fucking chainsaw, I guess, because I don't know where my skill saw went to. Anyways, we're here. Gonna be fucking shelf up there on the wall. Another one. I'm gonna stop right about there. Follow that line all the way along there. A little update here on the shelf situation. Get little bro down here helping out. We got the new the footings. No, it's a shelf. It's gonna go on the wall. It's gonna look basically identical to them ones, but it's gonna be longer this way and longer this way. So once we get her all framed up here, just gonna nail her all together and then get some fucking plywood on her, get her up on the wall. Oh, it's fucking so nice. Look at that. See, you don't have to be a carpenter to fucking build sketchy shelves. It'll be fine. You don't need to worry about stuff falling off the wall in the middle of the night when you're fucking sleeping. Fuck, that's gonna be so nice. Alright, we're back here shelving again today. Just finished getting her all nailed onto the wall there. Now I'm gonna put a 2x4 up across these ends and secure it to the roof. But I gotta cut off this little lip here. Both shelves. How you think I'm gonna do that? With a chainsaw. And I'm gonna get the fancy little phone holder right here. I'm gonna videotape. Get the old fucking, yeah, so I'm just gonna stick my phone right in there and everybody get a little view of what I'm doing here. Alright, here we go, folks. Mint. There you go. That's how you make a mess all over the bench. And cut up the fucking 2x4s. Fucking mint.